Often, language employed within the Web3 ecosystem can be confusing and sometimes unclear. So I think it's important for us to have an overview of some of the key terms and concepts that are native to this space. Here's a short and abbreviated glossary of some of the phrases and words that you will often encounter when you explore the Web3 ecosystem. Cryptocurrency. These are decentralized digital alternatives to traditional state-backed fiat currencies used across the internet and Web3 ecosystems. Examples of cryptocurrency include Bitcoin and Ether. Bitcoin. This is a decentralized, so peer-to-peer, blockchain-based electronic currency system. Its native currency acronym is BTC. Ethereum. This was the first programmable blockchain that administers and facilitates Web3 processes, which include NFTs, smart contracts, decentralized finance or DeFi, and decentralized autonomous organizations or DAOs. The native currency of the Ethereum blockchain is Ether or ETH, ETH. Etherscan. A blockchain explorer platform for accessing information relating to the Ethereum blockchain. IPFS, Interplanetary File System. IPFS is a distributed database for storing and sharing information. Smart contracts. These are digital contracts that are stored on a blockchain that automatically execute when specific terms and conditions are met. NFT. This is a unique alphanumeric string that is permanently embedded on a blockchain and commonly linked to an external file such as a JPEG, MP3, or a PDF, etc. ERC-721. The Ethereum blockchain standard that executes smart contracts for non-fungible or unique tokens. ERC-20. The Ethereum blockchain standard that executes smart contracts for fungible tokens. These tokens are interchangeable and are not unique. ERC-1155. The Ethereum blockchain standard that allows both fungible and non-fungible tokens to be executed within the same smart contract. Minting. This is the process of converting a digital file, such as a JPEG or an MP3 or a PDF, etc., onto any blockchain, such as Ethereum, Tezos, etc., transforming it into a tradable token. This token is permanently located within a growing and distributed digital ledger that is unable to be edited, modified, or deleted. Gas fees. This is the real-time cost for conducting transactions on blockchains that respond to supply and demand. Floor price. This is the lowest amount of money a collector will need to spend to buy an NFT from a particular collection. Sweeping the floor. Well, this is a phenomena when all NFTs for a project are purchased by someone at the floor price, the lowest price. This might be done in advance of a relevant or practical piece of new information. Airdrop. An event when a token or tokens are dropped into a user's wallet without the user needing to take any action. Rug pull. A project that fails to deliver its proposal and disappears with any and all funds or tokens that have been raised to support it. Web3, a decentralized online ecosystem of blockchain applications, which is effectively a blockchain-based internet. dApps. These are distributed open-source software applications that are stored on a blockchain and can be accessible through wallets such as MetaMask. DeFi. Web3-based decentralized finance, or DeFi, is a collective term for financial services located on public blockchains and accessible through wallets such as MetaMask. DAO, a decentralized autonomous organization. A DAO is a member-owned group of participants without centralized leadership but with voting rights. Metaverse. These are a persistent, interoperable, three-dimensional interactive digital environment that are dependent on blockchain and accessible across multiple devices. GAN, a generative adversarial network, a process through which machine learning algorithms interact with discrete data sets to produce novel interpretive outputs.